In this session, we are going to be making these little folded butterflies. Now, to make these butterflies, we need our template from a book, a circle and a square, a piece of paper, pattern paper. We actually use junk mail to make this one, so if you don't have pattern paper, you can save your junk mail. Half of a chenille stem, a pencil, a ruler, a pair of scissors, and some glue. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to trace our template and cut them out. So I'm just using my ruler to get a square line, straight line. And I'm going to trace around my circle. Okay, so there I have my two patterns, circle and a square. So we have our square. We are going to turn our square like a diamond pattern, and then we're going to put our circle on top of it, and we're going to glue it that way. Get some glue, apply glue to the tip of our diamond pattern, and add the circle. So you're going to have something looking like this. Okay, we're going to let that dry, and then we're going to take this pattern and we're going to fold it into a fan like so, over, under, over, under, all the way to the very end. We're going to find the center point. So we're going to bend it until we know these two tips meet and we have the center point. We're going to take our chenille stem and bring it up to the center point, like so, and we're then going to twist our chenille stem on that center point. Now we can open our butterfly, open those fan folds like so. Almost there, we're almost to the end. There we go, starts looking like a butterfly. We're going to bring the chenille stems up to the top. Okay, make sure if it's not centered, you can ensure that these two pieces are centered. There we go. And all we need to do now is to shape our chenille stem. You can leave it like that, but I like to put a little curl at the top, and I do that using my pencil like so. Just twirl it around the pencil. Okay, and there we have our folded butterflies. These are very useful for things like cards, decorate your notice boards, decorate your room. If you expand the template, you can make a really huge one like this one. Remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.